This is a tutorial on recess settings for CTC's Electrical Productivity Pack's universal lighting fixture content. In this video, we'll see how many of the EPP's universal lighting families can be adjusted to be surface-mounted, fully recessed, or semi-recessed within its host. In this example, we will be looking at the round ceiling floor fixture. This type is a surface-mounted cylinder. Here is the section view of the universal lighting fixture that we will be looking at. Let's open its type properties. For each universal lighting fixture with recess controls, the controlling parameters are located under the Dimensions heading. These parameters are surface-mounted, recessed, semi-recessed, and semi-recessed depth. Before we begin, I'm going to draw a dimension from the host, which is a ceiling in this case, to the bottom of the fixture so that we can see how changing these parameters affects the fixture. I'll also draw a dimension from the ceiling to the top of the fixture. Now back in Type Properties, we see that the parameter Surface Mounted is checked. This indicates that the fixture is to be surface mounted to its host, and we can confirm this by seeing that the height of the fixture is 14 inches, and the dimension from the ceiling to the bottom of the fixture is 14 inches. Let's see what happens when we uncheck Surface Mounted. The parameter Recessed automatically checks, and when we click Apply, we see that the fixture recesses into its host. The distance from the bottom of the ceiling to the top of the fixture is 14 inches, equal to the fixture's height. Now let's check the parameter Semi-Recessed and click Apply. The fixture appears to change back to surface mounted. That's because the parameter Semi-Recessed Depth specifies the depth of recess into its host, and it's set to 0. Let's change it to 1 inch and click Apply. The fixture recesses 1 inch into the ceiling, as you can see by the dimension. Setting this parameter to 6 inches recesses it 6 inches into the ceiling. Setting it to 14 inches, the total depth of the fixture fully recesses the fixture into the ceiling. Values greater than the depth of the fixture and negative values are acceptable. Although negative values appear to suspend the fixture below the ceiling, we do not recommend this parameter for that purpose. See the user manual and our tutorial video on suspended fixtures for more information. Now let's reset the fixture back to surface mounted where it began. Now you know how to control recess settings for the universal lighting fixtures within CTC's Electrical Productivity Pack. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorial videos linked in the user manual.